What's up guys, I'm back here with another episode of Best Android Apps, and if you have not been through my previous episode, the link to it is in the description. So guys, all the apps in this video are not must-haves, but what I do is I explore new apps and best apps for each month. So without any further delay, let's begin the countdown. So the first one here is the Android widget. So this is a weather widget application, and this app provides you with a widget, and this widget provides you with lots of additional infos about the weather and your location. Say for example, we have the location here, the time and date, battery percentage, time, humidity, wind, and so on. So various infos, and you also can customize this widget. Just tap onto this widget and you will launch your application, and from here press your menu button, go on to settings, and from here you can customize your widget, the temperature unit, wind speed, and so on. And if you want to customize this widget, go on to widget settings, and from here you can select the widget style. As you can see, you even have set your clock application. Say for example, if you download any third-party application from the Play Store, you can set that application for your clock. Similar, you can do that with the camera as well, calendar as well. You also can change your text color, font size, and so on. So you can do a lot of customization here. And guys, you also have this satellite view, so that you can view the weather condition of various cities around the world. Say for example, you have this map, and here you have the weather info for various cities like Colombo. Here you have Paris, Rome, Madrid. So that it's really good, you have this world map and you can view weather conditions of various cities. So a very impressive feature here. We just don't need to go ahead and type in for the city. We can just look around in this world map and just find the weather condition of that area. And you also have various grid sizes for this widget, like 2x1, 4x2, 4x3, 5x1, and so on. So that's my number one, a cool weather widget with customization options as well as various infos about your location. The next one here is the Fotorus. So this is a photo editing application, but this is not just only the photo editing application, but it also provides some cool effects that you can apply to your picture. Say for example, you have this college, pick and pick, and pro edit. So college and pick and pick is for editing photos, as in giving effects to your photos. Say for example, under wallpaper, I have these photos. I select these photos and hit next. So this is what you can do with this collage effect. You can put various pictures like this in this way, and you also can change the background color. There you see. So this is what the collage effect does. Going back, now going on to this pick and pick feature. This is my favorite one. Say for example, I take this picture. So this is my picture guys, and there you see a cool effect here. There you see. So you can add these effects to your pictures. Looks very fancy, and you can use these kind of affected pictures for your Facebook and so on. So a very fancy application here. And again, you have this Pro Edit, which lets you edit your picture. Here you see you can enhance, as in you can go on to your enhance section. You can do the lightings and stuff, as in balance your colors and stuff. You can give in effects, various effects. There you see. You even can add stickers. You can crop your image, brightness controls, contrast, saturation, and so on. So a very fancy application for photo editing as well as adding various effects to your pictures. So that's my number two. The next one here is the Feedly. So this is a new way of tracking all your news from various categories like technology news, business, sports, and so on from your favorite websites with just a single application and a very friendly UI. So this is what you get at the beginning, okay? And you can get started from here. You can choose your category, okay, like tech, news, business, design, gaming, photography, and so on. So say for example, if I go on to tech, we have some very famous websites for technology, as in very famous tech websites. So say for example, I like Verge, so Verge added. Say for example, here's the Verge, and you can just go ahead and start reading the news. You can stay updated on what's happening from various sections No, not only tech, you also can keep track of what's happening in the business world, sports, and so on. So a very friendly UI here. You can just keep scrolling and read the headlines. If you are interested, just tap onto it and start reading the news. Again, guys, you can go ahead and read news from other sections as well. Say, for example, going to gaming. All right. So here are some famous websites for gaming. Say, for example, I like IGN. Tap IGN, and there you see. It's loading. So now you can go ahead and start reading your news, all your headlines. So this is a very cool way of keeping track of all your news from your favorite websites. So that's my number 3. The next one here is the Touch-Up Pro. So this is Touch-Up Pro. The point that you see here, the circle, this is the Touch-Up Pro. So this helps you to multitask, or say, for example, make your task easier. So this is to clear your memory. So there you see. And this is to add various themes to this application. You also can add various themes to this UI. Okay, touch a theme. So say, for example, let's use this one. Okay, so now my UI will be like this. Alright, so guys, let me just go back to my previous theme. Alright, you also can download additional themes from the Play Store. This is the back button, home button, and the menu button. Say, for example, if you are using a full screen launcher, this application is very helpful. You have your date, your day, and your time. Okay, you also have your back, home, and the menu key. You also have your battery percentage. You can jump onto your dialer like this. You even can check your messages from here, and here you have various tabs. This is for your favorite applications. You can add other applications that you use the most. Alright, and again, this is for the toggles, all the important toggles. You have it here. Even you have your audio controls, music controls, and so on. You even have your weather info here. So all in one kind of application. Very handy for some users. Some might love it, some might hate it, but I'm really using this a lot. I'm just loving it, guys. Just go ahead and try this Touch-Up Pro. The next one here is the Appsi Sidebar. So this is not like other sidebars just for launching any application or just to get the Ubuntu feel. This is something much more. Say, for example, if I make a swipe, I launch this sidebar, and here I have a favorite application category where I can place all my favorite applications so that it remains on top, and I can launch these applications very quick. You also can customize this sidebar, as well as you can use gestures to launch your favorite applications. For me it's swipe up, and I can launch my favorite applications like this. Okay, works very nice. Let's go ahead and get into the customization part for this application. Going on to Appsi Sidebar. So here, you can disable the visible hotspot like this. Okay, you also can add plugins to this sidebar. With this plugin help, you can do your task much more faster and with more ease. You have a plugin for your applications, call plugin, calendar plugin. You can go ahead, download it. You even have this look and feel category from where you can customize this sidebar. You can choose the theme, sidebar width, transparency, custom background, and so on. You even have this gesture. So this is what I was talking about. Enable it. One slide towards center. Open sidebar, maybe open recents, open favorites, open plugin swiper. Similarly, on slide up, I have on slide up, let's hit open favorite, make a swipe up, I'll launch my favorite applications. You also have a widget for your Appsi Sidebar application on which you can place shortcuts of your favorite application and you can launch it very quick. The next one in my list is the free ebook downloader. So guys, if you love to read ebooks, this is the best app for you. You can download free ebooks, go to download free ebooks, and here you have all the latest books. You have popular books, category like vampire, science and fiction, horror, and so on. I don't say you'll get all the ebooks that you want with this application, but there are so many books. If you like to read ebooks, this is one of the best application for you. So here you have the book name, the author, even the category. So say for example, if you want this book, just tap onto it and hit download, and you can read with this application itself. You don't need to download any third-party ebook reader application. So very handy application for book lovers. The next one here is the APK Mania. So guys, most of you are familiar with the APK Mania website. So this is the official app from the APK Mania. So I just wanted you guys to be informed about this application. I just don't promote piracy, but there are some people downloading APK's file. I just wanted you guys to know that you even have an application for that website from where you can download all the APKs for your Android applications. And for more on APK Mania, just Google it and know about it. So nothing much on this, just to inform you that we have a APK Mania application as well. The next one here is the App Protector. So this is an app locking application. You can lock various applications like your messaging and gallery and so on. So first you need to create a password. So that's my password. You need to re-enter your password, and then you can give in a security question. So I'll just quickly do this procedure and I'll get back to you. So after that security question, you'll have this. So draw an unlock pattern. So this, sorry guys. Alright, now you can go ahead and lock your, say for example, where's my gallery? Okay, I'll lock this gallery application. Now I go back, I launch my gallery. So you need to enter your password, then you launch your, your gallery. There you see. The next one here is the Weather Locker HD. So guys, this app provides you with a custom lock screen. You must enable it, and here you can customize the temperature that it shows, whether you want it in Celsius or the Fahrenheit. You can use the 24-hour format for your clock, and you can do the customizations here. So there you see guys, so this is the lock screen. Alright, the background that you see here keeps changing, and here you have your time, the weather condition. So the lock screen is very simple. You can launch your camera, you can launch as in unlock your device, again locking it, unlocking it. So here's a different image. Again, it keeps changing. There you see. So go ahead and try this lock screen, a very fancy lock screen with animated background and weather info with constantly changing wallpaper. The last one for this video is the Pirate Bay browser. So guys, everyone knows about the Pirates Bay. It's a famous website from where you can download all the torrents. So from here you can just search it. Say for example, Call of Duty. Alright. And here you have the results. Alright. And you have all the informations about the file size, seeders and so on. Say for example, if you want to download this, you can download the torrent right from your mobile itself. So here you can hit get this torrent, but you need to go ahead and download any torrent applications from the Play Store like the BitTorrent, uTorrent, tTorrent and so on. So it's really good. You can find various torrents for your TV series, games or whatever you want. You can just search for that torrent, download it right on your phone. So that's all for this video guys. I will be coming up with the next episode very soon, so stay tuned for that. If you have any suggestion, do leave it in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, stay tuned, and you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.